Good day mga ka-Lexus Grinders. Update lang tayo for today, Sunday, December 22. So, down pa rin ang ating crypto. Di pa rin nakaka-recover. So, within 24 hours, ang price ng AXS is around $6.16 and down siya ng 1.85% within 24 hours. And moving to our daily bounties. Okay, under daily bounties, standard board. Okay. Now for standard board, nakuha na natin itong ATIA 10 points. And then nakuha na natin itong 35 points ng classic by winning one battle. And also 35 points ng origin by winning one battle. And wala pa rin tayong option dito, no? So 480 points for the whole week. May na-miss tayong Thursday, no? Medyo busy lang. And then our estimated earning for standard board is 0.11 AXS. And Monday, unfortunately we don't have a premier ticket, so standard board lang ang meron tayo for this week, next week. And then moving to our premier. So for premier bounties, nakuha natin itong 453 points, which is winning 4 games in ranked battle in origin using 2 NFT axes. And then 12 points for winning 1 arcade game. And also 19 points for winning 1 classic game. And then for the whole week, meron tayo nakuha ang total of 1,143 points na may estimated AXS earning na 0.41 AXS. Now moving to our staking. Now for staking, same pa rin, 30.515 AXS at meron tayong this AXS worth is $187.83. And meron tayong claimable rewards na 0.0937096 AXS this coming Wednesday. So yun lang update for today, Sunday. Follow for more.